Quotient using a diagram, and in this case that's a number line, express the quotient in lowest terms. So we're given the fraction 1/2 and we want to divide it by 5. So we're going to start, label our number line with a 0 and a 1. Now, we're dealing in halves, so I'm going to break this in half and label that. So that's step 1. Make sure that you have a number line with this fraction on it. Now, each piece that we have here, and I've got one piece here, one piece here, I need to break into 5 pieces. So it's going to look something like this. So there's 5 pieces here, 5 pieces here. So there's 10 pieces between 0 and 1, which means each one of these is 1/10. And because of that, my fraction 1/2 can also be called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths. So this is an equivalent fraction. 1/2 and 5 tenths mean the same thing. Now that I have this set up, my question now becomes 5 tenths divided by 5. Well, if it's 5 of them and I divide them into 5, that's just 1 apiece. So if I divide 5 tenths into 5 equal groups, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 tenths divided into 5 groups, each group is 1/10. So that is actually, our answer is 1/10, which is lowest terms in this case. One more example here, 3/5 divided by 3. Same deal, start with 0 and 1. I have to be able to graph 3/5 on here, so I need to break this into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I did this wrong, didn't I? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll just move 1 to here. So this is now 1. 3/5, so that's 1/5, 2/5, 3/5 is right there. Now I need to break each of these into 3 pieces. So now each of these is actually 1/15. And I'm going to label this a little differently this time. That's still 0. This is 5/15, 6/15, etc. Alright, so now I've got it labeled in 15ths. I'm trying to divide this fraction here into 3 equal groups. So to do that, if it's 9 of them, divided by 3 is 3, so each group is going to be of size 3. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3/15, which in equivalent fractions is just 1/5. So that's actually my answer in this case.